This is the AliExpress best promo codes free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1 on your search engine or browser device, type in AliExpress coupon/discount codes. Now, as you can see here, here's some AliExpress coupon codes. If you click the drop down arrow, here are all the different codes ranging from $20 to $600. Or you can even scroll down, as you can see, and there's a different couple websites. We'll click this one, Honey, and as you can see, there's a $10 off code. We're going to click Get Coupon. Now here's the code. You want to click the code to copy. It has now been copied. Go to AliExpress and go under your cart and go to the payment or checkout tab. On the top right hand screen, click Checkout. And underneath the promo codes, underneath subtotal, you want to click the drop down arrow and click and paste your promo code and click apply. You might get an error or you might not, unable to apply the code. The total is after the discount, and basically you need to meet the minimum purchase amount. So we're going to click on another website here and we can get $2 off or $6 off and copy the code. Go back to AliExpress and apply the code, and as you can see, this coupon is only for single use only, but this is how you can apply coupons codes in AliExpress completely for free.